Now let's go into the next area, which is what are tags? So if we click on a card and we see here that we have the card that's opened up, and in order to tag a card, we use the icon at the top with the little drop down arrow that says card tag. Now, in this case, we've already pre-populated some tags. The first thing to remember is that cards can have tags which are specific to that stack or tags that are available across all your different stacks. Now, we've done this because in some cases, you don't want to see all the different tags across all your different stacks when you click the dropdown. However, in other cases, you may well want to do that. So we've given you the flexibility and you can do one or more of those options. If you notice in the tags that I have, we have one called engines and then a couple of to-dos in progress and completed. If you click on edit tags, this is where you can add and edit the tags that you have. As you can see here, I mentioned earlier, there are some tags which are specific to a project and some which are global. So we see in this tag dialog box, the drop down at the top that says Project Artemis. So that's the name of the stack. And if I click that drop down, you see the names of all the other stacks in our application currently. We see engines as one of the tags that we've created. So now let me create another tag that'll be local to the Project Artemis stack. And in this case, we've got engines. Maybe I'll create one called goals. And then I can change the color of the tag if I want to. And maybe green is a nice color for the goal. And you can see here, I clicked on the background color icon and I picked green. And then we click on create tag. And now we see goals. You'll also see that engines, I sort of used a lowercase e and I want to edit that. So I can just go back to edit and I can then fix that tag name and then I'll save that again. So now we've got engines and goals, which are tags in Project Artemis. So at this point, we can then click the drop down. Now, in order to tag a card with this label, I just pick the item that I want, and we've now selected goals as the tag. I'm just going to save this card and go back to the screen before to show you now that any cards that are tagged, you see the tag above the card with the color. So this is a nice visual view of your cards, and you'll be able to rapidly view all the different cards with the different tags in the future.